Standard 9. Subject Science and Technology. Chapter 6. Classification of plants. Module 1. Introduction. What is classification? It is grouping of living organisms according to their similar characteristics. Why classification is important? Classification puts things into groups. It makes things easier to find, identify, and study. Classification happens everywhere, be it at home or school. For instance, we classify the food that we eat. We classify the clothes that we wear. We also see books are classified in different types in a library. Can you recall? How have living organisms been classified? You have already studied the kingdom Monera, Protista, and fungi of the 5 kingdom classification system. This chart shows 5 kingdom classification system which was proposed by Robert Whittaker in 1959 for the study of living organisms. Now, let us study how much diversity is there in this kingdom. Kingdom Plantae. Can you tell which are the special cell organelles that differentiate plant cells from animal cells? Answer. Cell wall and chloroplast are the cell organelles that are present only in plant cell and are absent in animal cell. What are plants? The group of autotrophic living organisms having eukaryotic cells with cell wall is the group of plants. Plants are considered to be autotrophic organisms as they can perform photosynthesis with the help of chlorophyll present in them. Living organisms of kingdom Plantae are the main source of food for all the living organisms. Basis of classification. There are various criteria for classifying plants. We will see them one by one. The first one. Presence or absence of organs is the first criterion for classification of plants. As you can see in the picture, plants have various organs like stem, root, leaves, flowers, etc. Presence or absence of these organs play an important role in classification. Number 2. Presence or absence of conducting tissues for conduction of water and food is the next consideration for classification. As you can see in the picture, xylem is used for the conduction of water and phloem is used for the conduction of food. Presence or absence of these conducting tissues play an important role in classifying plants. Number 3. Do the plants bear seeds? If they do, then whether the seeds are enclosed in the fruit or not is an important criterion for classification. The fourth one. Finally, the plants are grouped depending upon the number of cotyledons in the seeds. If the plant has one cotyledon, it is grouped under monocotyledon, and if the plant has two cotyledons, it is grouped under dicotyledon. Higher level classification. At the higher levels of plant classification, different characteristics are considered for classification. For example, depending upon the absence or presence of flowers, fruits, and seeds. Here, the plants are classified as cryptogams and phanerogams. Cryptogams are further classified into thallophytes, bryophytes, and pteridophytes. Depending upon whether the seeds are enclosed within a fruit or not, phanerogams are classified as gymnosperms and angiosperms. Angiosperms are further classified as monocots and dicots depending upon the number of cotyledons in the seeds.